Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
Very happy baby, despite the fact that you're completely full of cold.
So coldy, poor rabbit.
And who's...
I haven't heard it quite like this before.
And who's this? Hello, Hobbsy.
Hobbsy.
Well, we've got several things to do.
Oh.
Shall we start off with post for Miss Beatrix Ellis?
Oh. Well, first of all, happy 17th of December, everybody.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, we're getting so close to Christmas.
Yeah, I mean, we've got to work on your letter opening technique, Beatrix.
Yeah, we'll work on that. She likes the taste of the stamp. Oh, hello, Hobbles.
Oh. I think Hobbs knows something else is going on, don't you? Good morning, little one.
Oh, this is a slobbery card to open. Oh, what's this? Oh, look at that.
Has it got a face
Oh, it's got her face on.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas. Have a magical time, Bee. And it's the snowman, baby.
Who's it
and
from?
The snow dog. Happy first Christmas, Beatrix, with all our love, Nonny and Bupper.
Oh, it's from your mum and dad.
It's from my mum and dad.
So Beatrix calls them Nonny and Bupper.
Yeah.
Oh,
so
she's
lovely,
liking
guys.
that. Yeah, she likes the fun. We've read The Snowman already, and she watched the movie with us the other day. And that's you, little Beatrix on the card, looking a little bit like the son from the Teletubbies.
Again. Oh, that is so lovely. Thanks, guys.
What do you think, my love? What do you think? Do you like your card? Do you like your card?
Yeah,
has it passed the taste test?
Well, I don't know if it has gone in the mouth quite yet, so it's about to. Oh, no, she's very interested in it, actually.
You can hear us snorting away.
Poor little snuffle pig.
We'll clear this cold out soon enough.
Yeah, we will.
Right, well, that's a success. Thank you very much, Nonny and Bupper. And now, we should start the day for you, little one, shouldn't we? Hobbsy, what day is it today? What day is it? What's Mummy? Gabby got?
So I think we've decided we're going to do this in the morning because we
Look,
get
look,
into
what's
Hobbles
this?
very late and his poor tummy can't handle it.
You need to call him over because he thinks I've got it. Here we go.
Look!
Oh.
17. Okay, right.
Sit.
Sit, my darling.
Sit. Good boy.
Hops. Over here.
Go on, get to the counter.
He's always going to be a little bit nervous round Bee because he doesn't know what she'll do yet. Okay, are you ready? Come here, baby. Good boy. Here.
What have you got? Sit.
Good boy. Oh, she wants her card back. Oh, bless her. Okay, boo-boo. Thank you so much. This is all kind of naughty.
Beatrix is loving this.
Treats in the bed, isn't it?
Oh, he knows there's another one. He's like, another one, please.
They're like little salamis. I feel like you
Oh.
might eat these two.
Ooh. Good boy, Hobbs. Is there one more?
There's one more.
Yay!
Oh,
All
what's
done.
that, baby?
Happy 17th, Hobbs.
Oh. All right.
Right, so I think it's 8 o'clock. We should settle down for a Christmas movie.
Yeah, we've decided to watch a Christmas movie this morning. We'll see how far
With the
we
whole
get
gang.
before we have breakfast.
Right.
Hello, little bear. You look so cute. Oh, Bee, do you know what? She's amazing. She has such a big cold. Like, she is so full of snot. I've never come across anything like it. But you're in such a good mood, aren't you, baby? Yes! Those are your feet. Where are your feet? Oh. So we're going to go out for a nice walk, but we're not going to go to sensory class. Oh, look at her. We're not going to go to sensory class because we don't want to pass this on or pick up anything else. Yes, sweet potlets. All right, let's go for a walk. Who've we got here? We've got a bear. Oh, snuggle buggles.
Come on, let's explore the forest.
We're on
a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt. So we're on the sandy heath, which is Hobbs's favourite place in the world. We thought we'd take him here as a little treat.
One of our
I mean ours as well, but I'm just saying we're here for Hobbs really, because look at the weather. I mean, we wouldn't choose today. Hello, Stephen.
Hello.
Would you like to see what's behind door number 17?
I most certainly would.
We just had a very lovely lunch, haven't we, everybody? Come on then, up you get.
Right, sorry.
No time to rest with the advent calendar games.
Right. I want to be with the other me, so look up high beyond the clouds to find me. I'm happy up here in the sky, but are really destined for another place. When you meet me, you'll know why.
Oh my god, why do I think they're really good and then you read them out and I'm like, that's awful. I mean, I definitely go with the E's, don't I? All of my poems go
I want to be with the other me, so look up high beyond the clouds to find me. I'm happy up here in the sky, but are really destined for another place.
E.
When you meet me, you'll know why. Okay, so it's above the clouds. So, the clouds in our bedroom, maybe? On the wall? They're big clouds, aren't
What
they,
do you
in our
think,
bedroom?
B? Yeah! She
Should we go
likes
with-
that
do you want to
idea.
come with?
Are you coming, Hobbs? We all
Go
going?
and have a look.
Oh.
Come on, you. Up we get. Hooray! We go.
Come on then, gorgeous. Come on, Hobbsy, come join us too.
Mummy with us.
Yes, I'm with you. Can you see it already?
Do you get the same one?
Well, no, but it's very similar. Oh, hello.
It's another bee.
Yeah!
A little bee. Oh.
Oh, well.
Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz.
Oh,
Look at this
so
one,
look,
guys.
they're going to go with the other he, the
Should
other
we go put him on
bee.
the tree? The little bee.
I know, I was like, there's so many other rhymes I could say, but then I'm just giving it away. If I say bee or tree, did you like the way I actually did put bee, but I crossed out an E?
Very clever.
Even that rhymes E. Come on then.
Mummy a genius.
And then we'll also hang the other thing on the tree while we're
We have
there.
to hang, haven't we? Do you want to pick up her?
No. I'll pick up her Tiva later and give it a good clean.
Oh,
Hello, baby.
look. So Mummy got a bee for me and I got a bee for you.
Yay!
That's
Aww.
awesome.
That's really cool,
It's
isn't it?
very cute.
It's a good bee. They're really, both of them are really good bees.
Where should we put him?
Well, he could go opposite him, which is kind of cute, couldn't he?
Ooh, a little beehive.
That's pretty cute, actually. Oh, that's really lovely. They both have very smiley faces.
Tell you move one of these branches like half
I
of them fall off.
know.
This is our non-drop tree, ladies and gentlemen.
But also, happy day 17.
And thank you. But look what we got yesterday. Did you see this bee?
Yeah.
You were
So
with
to
me.
explain, this isn't totally our taste, but we think these guys look so good on trees because they sparkle with the lights, and so hopefully we're right.
Now bee, you ready for this? Look at this. Whoop. This
Oh, it's gorgeous. I love the way it sparkles.
Look at that. Yeah, she likes that.
Yeah.
at that.
The sparkle.
Look, if you hold it in front of there.
Oh.
Oh, she's loving the front there.
Oh wait, let me come round the other way so I can see better.
Look, look. Ooh. Spin, 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 spin. Yeah, she's really aggressive. Right, let's put this on the tree, shall we? I think that there's not many places to put
No, I know. Yeah, I think it's going to have to go there. Yeah.
It might be a bit big there.
I know, but I kind of like that.
Or should we move to felt? No, definitely not that one, obviously.
There, that's good.
Well, there's a little decoration right behind it.
That's okay. Is it a bit heavy? Yeah. What about here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There we go.
Oh, yes. Right in the centre of the tree. Bees touching the screen.
Oh, look, look.
Oh, that's lovely the way it nestles in.
Look. See?
Oh, very special.
You liking that?
She loves it.
Yeah.
There we go. We got
There
that
you go.
yesterday in Liberties, didn't we? Yay!
Right.
Oh, Hob says, wow.
So,
Christmas, number 2.
There's room for everyone on the nice list.
Number 3.
Best way to spread Christmas cheer is singing loud for all to hear.
And one day, when Buddy was old enough, I made him my own personal apprentice.
So, it's too late for Hobbs's advent calendar. His tummy will get sore. So we're going to do it first thing in the morning, but I just thought me and Hobbs would say goodnight to you all. So night-night, everyone. We'll see you tomorrow for more Vlogmas.